Let's talk about how perimenopause actually precipitates insulin resistance, because this is not random weight gain and it is not aging. It is hormone-driven metabolic dysfunction. One of the earliest hormonal changes in perimenopause is a decline in progesterone. Progesterone supports deep sleep and keeps cortisol in check. When progesterone falls, sleep becomes fragmented and cortisol rises. Cortisol tells your body to keep glucose in the bloodstream, not to move it into cells. Chronically elevated cortisol directly blocks insulin signaling. At the same time, estrogen does not simply drop, it becomes erratic. Estrogen normally improves insulin sensitivity and helps muscles use glucose efficiently. During perimenopause, fluctuating estrogen disrupts insulin receptor signaling, increases blood sugar variability, and promotes visceral fat accumulation. Testosterone also quietly declines, and testosterone is a critical metabolic hormone in women. It helps maintain muscle mass and allows muscle cells to pull glucose out of the bloodstream and burn it for energy. As testosterone drops, muscle becomes less responsive to insulin, glucose clearance slows, and more glucose is diverted into fat storage. This hormonal environment shifts fat distribution toward visceral or abdominal fat. Visceral fat is metabolically active. It releases inflammatory signals and free fatty acids that further impair insulin signaling and worsen resistance. As cells become increasingly full of glucose, insulin resistance develops. Think it like a subway car at rush hour. Insulin is trying to push glucose into the cell, but the car is already packed and no more can fit. No matter how much insulin is released, nothing moves. That excess glucose is then sent to the liver, where it is converted into fat and released into the bloodstream as triglycerides. This is why rising triglycerides are often one of the earliest lab signs of perimenopausal metabolic dysfunction. Perimenopause precipitates insulin resistance by removing hormonal protections that once kept metabolism flexible. This is not a calorie problem. It is a hormone and insulin signaling problem, and it is reversible when addressed early. I'm Dr. Clifford Gluck. Thank you for listening. Please share these videos. I'll see you again soon.